How you can fix Gcam not working on the Android phone. Hi guys, welcome back with the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your phone settings, and once you are here you have to go on the app settings, and here you have to search for the camera. Now once you're in the camera you have to scroll down and find out the storage and the cache. Now once you're in, you have to simply clear up the cache. After clearing the cache, you have to go back and click on the Google Chrome or any Chrome that you're using, and here you have to search for the Gcam. Now once you are in, you have to scroll down and go on the Gcam Google port help, and here you have to again scroll down and find out the link of the Gcam. Here is all the instructions that how you can install the Gcam. Like, first of all, you have to check if your Android device support the camera to API or not. After this you have to install it, and after installing that you have to restart the app and you are able to use it. And here is all the instructions that are given. You have to just follow these. So yeah, this is how you can fix Gcam not working on the Android.